Today I'm taking a look at this car air freshener, different than your typical car air fresheners. This is just a little piece of wood that is soaked in essential oils that gives off that smell in the car. Smells fantastic in here. My wife used it also in her previous car because it had a smoking smell. The previous owner smoked, so this really helped to try and eliminate that smell. But it's pretty simple to use. You can see you have this part right here that you put on. So if I take this off, this just slides on here. You can see just like that. And then there's a little part right here on the back where this attaches magnetically. If I flip this around correctly, magnetically to that spot right there, just like that. Safe for pets. The chemicals in it are not going to harm your pets. We have our dog in here all the time, traveling with us wherever we go, so it's been safe with our pets, which is nice. The scent lasts typically, I would say, for about a month. This one's on the edge, I would say, of needing to be replaced, but you would just order a new piece of the wood. It comes in, like I said, many different scents, so you can change up the scent. You can keep the scent that you have now, whatever it is. So maybe you want to change it up every now and then and have a new scent, totally up to you. But I like that option where you can just order another piece of the wood here and then just attach it again, and you're good to go for about another month. This one's on its last legs, but still has plenty of quality smells to it. Really happy with it so far. So if you are in the market for a new car air freshener, I would definitely take a look at this Drift one. We love it, and I hope you do too. Thanks.